I was full-time freelancing until now. Abhi, I've put it under a formal banner, calling it a law firm. मेरा ड्रीम था मुझे LLM करना था but not from India because it had no recognition. If I'll do LLM, it has to be from a foreign university, and going to the US was of course a dream. I realized working in LPO is not what I want because एक point के बाद you start to stagnate at work. COVID gave me an exposure. I got to learn of different avenues that are available because of COVID. What excited me the most was working with firms outside of India, getting paid in dollars or the foreign currency. I was quite motivated that I should, take efforts. It has grown so much that I cannot manage the work now. There are things lined up. The moment you finish off the pile, there are new things coming in.
I love working under her and she's a very great mentor. Like apart from work, जब मुझे कुछ भी issues है या कुछ पूछना है, I know I can vouch on her, I can ask her.
I am very blessed. I feel grateful every day, and of course, there is constant flow of work. Not to worry about कि भाई आज खत्म किया तो कल क्या. So I was full-time freelancing until now. Abhi, I've put it under a formal banner, calling it a law firm. So I run a law firm in the name of Mitch Law Office, offering services majorly to US clients, also other jurisdictions as well, and offering services into IP, which would include trademark, copyrights, business contracts. As I have got keen interest in the technology law, the updates that are coming in the technology space, the AI, the data privacy, and the crypto law. So I am also inclined towards working with startups who are emerging in this sphere, offering services in this sphere. Other additional services include, doing AML and data privacy check for these crypto businesses and the fintech startups coming in. So मेरा dream था मुझे LLM करना था but not from India because it had no recognition as such. It would not add any weightage to the kind of work you're doing. So I had thought if I'll do LLM, it has to be from a foreign university, and going to the US was of course a dream once. I did my BCom specializing in banking insurance. So there were these PSU banks and insurance companies entrance exams that were coming in, and therefore someone recommended if you want to pursue profession in banking, maybe you can also pursue an opening as a law officer with them. I mean, someone who was a CA or and a CS, already working in this sector. They suggested that maybe you will get a better advantage. There'll be lesser competition if you pursue a law officer position after pursuing law. And then I thought, law to कहीं पे भी help करेगा. Wherever I land up, law is universal. It's a soft skill to have.
Absolutely. कब और कहाँ से किया आपने LLB?
LLB. So I am originally from Mumbai, born and brought up in Mumbai. So I did my law from KC Law College, Churchgate, Mumbai. I graduated in 2017 and I'm enrolled with the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa since 2017 as well. So I was working with Integrion back in 2014 to 16. So almost most of my 1.5 year to 2 years, I would say, went working with an LPO. I was again doing, some US related work over there. So they were declaratory judgments coming in, but we had to vet the document and then extract the information, what sort of decision has come out, what were the sections under which the complaint was filed. I kept switching roles and I realized, working in LPO is not what I want because एक point के बाद you start to stagnate at work. So I was studying law at that point in time while I was working at the LPO, and I participated in a lot of moot court competitions where I drafted petitions. You know, they were moot cases that were given to us, case studies where we had to literally draft from the appellee side, the appellant side, and present. So it would be a team of 3 where, you know, there would be judges invited to the colleges around. So we would travel to Pune, Pune and across other districts as well.
Was it a well-paid job? What do you
Well
think?
paid, I would say it was as to the industry standards, I would say. And
Can you-
litigation, of course, does
Can you
not
re-
pay as well.
Can you reveal the figure that you were getting from that law?
Back then, I got a good hike when I quit. So I was earning around 25,000 per month that time
Okay.
in 2019 November.
After quitting that job, how did it continue?
After quitting, I thought I'll start off by myself, of course, in litigation, also experimenting with business contracts alongside. And I got in touch, you know, I was actively networking on LinkedIn as well. Already someone who was a LawSeco student, I got to speak to him, and I got to know about LawSeco then in 2020 while, you know, it was COVID, and I was actively attending webinars that LawSeco was doing on different subjects, and that's where, you know, I learned that there are so many other domains that exist other than real estate litigation or the criminal law, the family, the divorce matters, I would say, you know. So there is a whole lot of world in the law. There are so many niches that you can, you know, explore. What excited me the most was working with firms outside of India, getting paid in dollars or the foreign currency. Even now, you know, if I happen to tell people that I work with US clients and earn in US dollars, they are quite surprised and they feel you're so lucky. COVID gave me an exposure. You know, I got to learn of different avenues that are available because of COVID. You know, things started going remote online. That's where, you know, I think it widened my scope of thinking as to what can be done next. You know, outside of litigation that I was only considering as an option until now. I attended the IP boot camp, enrolled in the IPR course, which was quite comprehensive. It got me learn about the USPTO trademark process. So got to extensively learn about that and about copyright infringement, about the DMCA. While doing the course, I immediately happened to join LawSeco's freelance department. So, and I honed some hands-on experience on writing proposals and working independently. I just got a platform where I could, you know, pitch my work. I would propose to the client that I can do this work and then bag it and then, of course, work on it from A to Z, and also involve other LawSeco students who would work on it, contribute from their end, and they also get paid. So it was in September 2022 that I shifted out of Mumbai to Baroda with family. Because of the shifting, you know, I decided I'll quit LawSeco full time and start my own freelancing. So that's where I would say, you know, I was on my own doing freelancing, starting it off by myself. One was Fiverr and the other one was Upwork. But I would say Fiverr kicked off the most for me because Upwork requires you to actively put in time where you have to apply, submit proposals. Fiverr, what happens is clients reach out to you looking at your gig, your ratings, the reviews the clients give. Of course, in the start, it's slow because you do not have reviews. But a video, of course, helps. So I was quite motivated, you know, by the LawSeco freelance department that I should, you know, take efforts.
LawSeco से कौन-कौन लोग आपको याद है? Who mentored you? मतलब if you call them
Mentored
mentors.
me, of course, it was Komal Shah ma'am. So I was working directly under her in the freelance LawSeco legal freelance team.
Okay.
And the next was Priyanka ma'am, Priyanka Karwa ma'am. So I learned management skills from Komal Shah ma'am, I would say, on that part. It has grown so much that I cannot manage the work now. You're managing the pressure, you're handling the client queries coming in every other day. There are things lined up. The moment you finish off the pile, there are new things coming in. And I mean, that's a cycle, and that's happening. I mean, without putting in much efforts, there are new tasks that come in.
Plans of expanding the team?
Sure, yeah. So I recently have got an associate joining me, and I see, of course, sticking to just one is definitely not the idea. I'll have more people on board as and when things grow better.
Got to know your associate is also a Law Seeker alumni?
Yeah, she is. She is a Law Seeker student as well.
आपने Law Seeker कोर्स भी ज्वाइन किया था?
जी,
कौन सा कोर्स है?
मैंने सबसे पहले लास्ट 2 years में ड्राफ्टिंग का कोर्स सबसे पहले किया था. देन लास्ट ईयर इन अगस्त आई एनरोल्ड SQE, जो आपका सॉलिसिटर का क्वालिफिकेशन एग्जाम है, उसके लिए आई एनरोल्ड लास्ट अगस्त.
जो अभी मिताली के साथ आप काम कर रहे हैं, ये कैसे ढूंढा आपने?
थ्रू लिंक्डइन. आई वाज स्क्रॉलिंग, फर्स्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिल्ली.
ओके.
तो वहाँ पे मैंने डाला अपना एप्लीकेशन. देन माय पेरेंट्स, बिकॉज आई एम अ सिंगल चाइल्ड, तो उनका था कि जहाँ पे घर है वहाँ पे तुम्हें जॉब मिले तो अच्छा है. देन आई फाउंड मिताली मैम्स लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, उसमें आई सॉ, तो देन आई अप्लाइड. आई वाज नर्वस स्टार्टिंग में, बट आई मेट मैम. शी वाज वेरी लाइक, वो एक नॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन जैसे इंटरव्यू हुआ, तो आई वाज आल्सो फाइन, लाइक हाँ, आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद हर. सो माय इंटरव्यू वेंट वेल विद हर.
जो उन्होंने स्किल टेस्ट किए आपके इंटरव्यू में, क्वेश्चनिंग की, उसमें लॉ सीखो की लर्निंग कहीं काम आई?
हाँ, बिकॉज जब मैंने ड्राफ्टिंग स्टार्ट की थी, तब आई स्टार्टेड ड्राफ्टिंग अपवर्क के लिए. उसमें वेरियस एग्रीमेंट्स, स्पेशली कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, तो मैम ने थोड़े क्वेश्चन उससे पूछे थे, तो इट काइंड ऑफ हेल्प मी, क्योंकि वो क्लॉसेस मैंने किए थे पहले. तो इट लाइक वो मेन पार्ट था जिसमें आई थिंक आई एज्ड माय इंटरव्यू उस टाइम.
एज अ फर्स्ट जॉब मेंटरिंग कैसी मिल रही है आपको?
मुझे अच्छी मिल रही है, बिकॉज आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट. स्पेशली जैसे मैम का काम US और दुबई और UK बेस्ड है, सो आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट इन ट्रेडमार्क्स ऑफ US स्पेशली. सो लाइक आई एम लर्निंग अभी भी, और नई नई चीज़ें लर्न करो तो लगता है हाँ, यू फील कॉन्फिडेंट कि हाँ तुम्हें आता है कुछ. लाइक आई लव वर्किंग अंडर हर, एंड शी इज़ अ वेरी ग्रेट मेंटोर. लाइक अपार्ट फ्रॉम वर्क, अगर मुझे कुछ भी इश्यूज है या कुछ पूछना है, आई नो आई कैन वाउच ऑन हर, आई कैन आस्क हर. स्पेशली अभी मुझे बार एग्जाम देना है, तो मैम ने मुझे इतना सारा उसका इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया, तो मेरा थोड़ा क्लियर हुआ है लाइक व्हाट टू डू एंड हाउ टू डू.
Family में I have parents and a younger brother. My parents support me through any decision I make.
आज आपको मिताली की सक्सेस को देख के कैसा लगता है?
बहुत खुशी हो रही है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. उनकी मेहनत, उनका ही फल मिलेगा.
एज अ पेरेंट्स वर्क तो मेहनत तो हम लोगों ने भी साथ में करना पड़ता है, तभी बच्चों को कुछ अचीव होता है. बट ठीक है, वो सब तो हो गया, लेकिन बच्चे कुछ बन जाए अच्छा, वही हम लोग ने सोचा है कि आज के दौर में जॉब ढूंढना, बाहर जाके लोग काम करते हैं, कितनी लॉन्ग ट्रैवल करके जाते हैं, जॉब पे पहुंचते हैं, फिर वापस घर जाके पहुंचते हैं. तो ये हम लोग के लिए गॉड ब्लेसिंग है, जैसे कि हम लोग को घर बैठे अचीव हो जाता है. जो इसने एफर्ट्स डाले हैं वो तो अभी क्या ही बता सकती हूँ मैं, तो वो तो उसके एफर्ट से है, लेकिन वी आर ब्लेस्ड फिर भी कि ये सब गॉड गिफ्ट जैसा ही है हम लोग के लिए.
They are quite worried, where am I going to land up now, because I have got further plans moving to the US. They want me to see settled, but then I'm like, okay, I want to grow further, थोड़ा और focus करते हैं काम पे. But they are constantly badgering, you should get married, settle down. They are quite happy. I'm working from home at any hour I want. I can take breaks whenever I want. If there are relatives coming in, maybe taking a break for the day and planning a family trip, or working overnight and then being out for the day if there's a requirement. So it's quite flexible. Growth का तो I say there's no bound to it. So जितना scale करना है उतना कर सकते हो. Law is something I would appreciate. Is a great thing that happened to me, I would say.
It can naturally be.
Yeah. Keeps me working every day. हर रोज कुछ नया काम करना एक passion जैसा है मेरे लिए. I am very blessed. I feel grateful every day. to having the work that I get, the kind of exposure I'm getting, and of course there is constant flow of work, not to worry about कि भाई आज खत्म किया तो कल क्या.